This is my model from my Vectorworks for Domestic Architects course, and I was playing with it the other day and I realized it's got a hole in the roof. Now the hole in the roof was from a fireplace that used to be there, but now the client wants to have doors here and so there's no room for a fireplace. So let me show you how to fix the hole in the roof. I'm going to go back to a top plan view. This is key 0 on my numeric keypad. It's a really quick shortcut. So there's my object. I'm going to use a couple of keyboard shortcuts because I've just done a PDF with all of my shortcuts. I just think they're so much quicker. Now, if I go Command open bracket, there's my roof. I've gone inside my roof. And if I drag a marquee over, you can now see the rectangle used to make the hole in my roof. When I delete it and I exit my group, go back to a 3D view, hole fixed. I just like that little trick. It's nice and easy to make holes in the roof by just drawing the rectangle and doing clip surface. And to fix it, you just have to go inside, find the hole and repair it. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Of course, there's a lot more to this, so I'm going to make a much longer movie now, and I'm going to make that for members on my website. See ya.